Welcome to my channel, cuties.
Hello, good day. This is Peter, a science student. Today, I am discussing about an animal cell. Animal cells are a eukaryotic cell, meaning they possess a nucleus, a true nucleus, and a specialized structure called organelles that carry out specific functions. An animal cell is surrounded by a plasma membrane. This structure is a phospholipid double layer which is considered selectively permeable that certain molecules can pass through while others cannot. And inside the plasma membrane, there are so many organelles. And today we will define and give their function. First is the centrosome, a region near the nucleus that organizes microtubules. And its function is to play a crucial role in cell division, organizing the mitotic spindle. And the next is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, a network interconnected membranes without ribosomes attached. And its function is to synthesize lipids, metabolize carbohydrates, detoxify drugs and poisons, and store calcium ions. And the next one is the nucleus, the cell's control center, containing a genetic material, DNA, and surrounded by a double membrane. And its function is houses of the chromosomes and regulates the gene expression and controls cellular activities. And the next one is the nucleolus, a dense region with the nucleolus. Its function is to synthesize ribosomal RNA and assembles ribosomes. And the next one is the nuclear membrane. The double membrane surrounding the nucleus contain nuclear pores that regulate the passage of molecules between the nucleus and cytoplasm. And its function is to protect the genetic material and regulates transport of molecules into and out of the nucleus. And the next one is the lysosome, a membrane-bound organelle containing a digestive enzymes. And its function is to break down waste materials, cellular debris, and ingested substances. And the next one is the mitochondria, or also known as the powerhouse of the cell, is responsible for cellular respiration. And its function is to generate ATP, the cell's main energy currency, through the cellular respiration. And the next one is the vacuole, the membrane-bound sacs that store water, nutrients, or waste products. Plant cells typically have a large central vacuole. And its function is to maintain sugar pressure in plants, store substances, and regulate cell volume. And the next one is the Golgi apparatus, a stack of flattened membrane-bound sacs. And its function is to modify, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for secretion or delivery to other organelles. And the next one is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, a network of interconnected membranes with ribosomes attached to its surface. And its function is to synthesize proteins, particularly those destined for secretion or insertion into membranes. And the next one is the ribosomes, a small organelles responsible for protein synthesis, can be free floating in the cytoplasm or attached to the RER, or rough endoplasmic reticulum. And its function is to translate mRNA or messenger RNA into proteins. And the next one is the cytoplasm, the jelly-like substance filling the cell, excluding the nucleus. And its function is to provide a medium for cellular reactions, support organelles, and facilitates transport of molecules. And the last one is cytosol, the fluid portion of the cytoplasm. Its function is the site of many metabolic reactions. That's it. Thank you. Hoping you learn about this animal cell.